So there are several different types of tools that you can use to cut stickwood. You can use a power chop saw, the miter box saw, which we actually sell on our accessories page, and then a jigsaw, and the utility knife can be used in certain circumstances. So when you need to cut a piece of stickwood, say you're coming up to the end of the wall in your project, and for instance, if you need to measure it out to 12 inches, you're just going to take your measuring tape and your pencil, mark the board at 12 inches. Safety glasses, anytime you're using a power tool. So when you're cutting stickwood, this is the most efficient way using the power saw, but there are other ways to cut stickwood as well if you don't have a power saw. So this is our miter box saw that we sell on our website. Line it up just like on the power saw, and then bring the blade down and do long strokes. All right, simple as that. I'm just cutting stickwood material using different tools. There's a variety again using the miter box saw, the power chop saw, a jigsaw, and a utility knife when you're ripping to width again.